All right, so this is a quick and easy way to move modules into Commons so that you can then export those modules into other courses without having to export the entire course. So from your Canvas home screen, navigate to the module section and select whatever module it is you'd like to export to Commons so that you can have access to it in other courses. We'll do an example here with the film analysis module. You just need to click on the three dots next to film analysis and then choose share to Commons. Once you click on share to Commons, you'll be redirected to another screen where you can fill in your information. I generally speaking do only me because the stuff in my modules is usually only applicable to my classes, but if it is something that you think that other people in Valencia would like, you could always choose all of Valencia. I leave license alone, and then for metadata, I usually leave the title as film analysis. It could also be helpful to put what course it's for, so if it's for a Comp 1 or Comp 2 course. Here you might write a brief description just so you remember what it's about. So this is my film analysis unit for Comp 2. For an image, you have to pick an image. It doesn't necessarily matter what image you use if you aren't going to make it shareable to everybody. I was just pick one that kind of looks like it belongs with the module. I leave the grades alone because I've selected this to be only found by me, and then you click share. After you click share, it will take a little while to be actually exported into Commons. Once it's exported into Commons, I can show you how to export it into another course.